I was having dinner with my 50 friends, 40 meat eaters and vegetarians. We had a great time and shared a lot of laughs, but our story starts where the party ends. There were 90 dishes, guess I'll wash them by hand. My dishwasher sucks, so that's a better plan. Here's my friend Stevo, he's got something to say. Don't wash your dishes that way. It's not energy efficient. It's not energy efficient. Gotta get a dishwasher from Bob and Kristy's energy efficient electrical appliance store. Bob and Kristy's. Bob and Kristy's. Running on 100 kilowatts an hour. Hey, you know that's not a lot of power. Bob and Kristy's electrical appliances store. So I asked Stevo how much he paid for one. He said it wasn't much, just a little sum of $1.99. Just $1.99. I said that's great. My cat thinks it's great. My wife and my dog and my dad think it's great. If you don't think it's great, well, you know, sweet thing, you are gonna get your money back. Now it's energy efficient. Now it's energy efficient. You gotta get that dishwasher from Bob and Kristy's energy efficient electrical appliance store. Bob and Kristy's. Bob and Kristy's. Running on 100 kilowatts an hour. Hey, you know that's not a lot of power. Bob and Kristy's electrical appliances store. We also have a wide selection of
Pencil crayons.